Hi, it's Jenny from Mindstamp. One of the most powerful tools available in Mindstamp is the ability to create personalized and dynamic content for your viewers. This is done by storing content within a variable. Today, I'm going to be discussing what a variable is and how to set one up in Mindstamp. There are several ways to display personalized content within your videos. You can display a message with your viewer's name, or display a comment dependent on an action they took earlier in your video. In this example, I'll walk through how to create a variable that will store the answer that somebody chooses from a question within your video, and then we'll display that answer later in the video. The first step to creating a variable is storing that variable within a question. So I'm going to click Add Question on the interaction bar below my video, and we're going to create a simple multiple choice question. So I'll change the question type to multiple choice, and I'll add a question prompt of what is your video marketing goal. Now that we added the prompt, I'm also going to add 4 answer options. Now we have 4 answer options: increase viewer engagement, understand my audience, personalize the video experience, and lastly, drive action and sell more. Now let's create the variable. Essentially, a variable is something that you can store a piece of text or information in. So when somebody answers this, what is your video marketing goal question, I want it to be stored in the variable goal, which I'll add here. What this means is that if somebody chooses increase viewer engagement as their answer, then the variable goal will be substituted as increase viewer engagement. Alternatively, if somebody answers drive action and sell more, then the variable goal will be stored as drive action and sell more. I can then use this variable in different interactions throughout my video. Some options are to display the answer later in the video, or display a comment based on what answer they chose. So once I click Save, I can see here that the question recognizes the variable goal was stored. Now I'll add a comment saying, you said your video marketing goal was. For the variable to be substituted with the answer they chose in the question, it needs to be written in this format. Now, when I save this comment, we can see that it was recognized as dynamic, which means that the variable will be changing in real time, dependent on what the viewer chooses as their answer. Now let's take a look at this variable in action in the preview window. Personalization and dynamic content creation are available to our core and enterprise users. You're also available to test it during your free trial. Visit the Mindstamp website to learn more and start taking advantage of this feature.